That's another one. Let's go. Do I have a trap? Yeah, back again. This is one of the easiest vocal chains for beginners, intermediate, advanced people if you just want something new to try. I'm gonna walk you through how this is set up and you can recreate it in any DAW of your choice. First things first, I have X Pitch. This is a new autotune type plugin right here. You can use Wavetune, real time autotune, really don't matter. You don't have to use it, it still sound clean because you hear how my vocals sound and there's nothing else on it, right? Nothing else on it. So even with, like if I turn these on, like my vocals sound good, right? So I would still be able to rap and everything will sound clean. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? So we're not even gonna look at that. So what I have here is my track with me preset from CLA. I chose this plugin because this plugin is very simple, easy for a person to use, because all the knobs is just EQ for the bass, treble, compressor, reverb, delay, pitch. So that's very easy for beginners or just anybody to just pick up and go. All right, so in the description, I will have an expansion pack, right, of different presets I got in here for this plugin. Then that is running into the CLA 76. I just have a easy preset right here set on the compressor. The input is at 30, this is at 18, the attack is here, this is the release, and this at a 4:1 ratio. All right, so we see the reduction that we're getting right here. That's fine, right? Easy to track with, so it's gonna attain some of those peaks. Keep in mind, I'm gonna print. You don't have to print. You could add to this or take away from it. It's completely up to you. And then we get over here. I chose CLA Effects because it's a very easy plugin, right? So if you don't understand reverb, don't understand the timings and how to roll off EQ or just anything, this CLA Effects is perfect for you. You can just go up here and turn the reverb, choose between these three verbs, and pretty much adjust the slider here, and you'll be good to go. Or fader, all right? I don't want people in the comments be like, you get it wrong, but I mean, it is what it is. So we'll just do that for the time being. And then the easiest delay of them all. I know this might look complicated, but it's completely easy. Like, this is easy. All right, I got it on lo-fi. The delays are the fourth. The sync with the BPM, as you see right here. The feedback, if I don't want more, I just reduce it. If I want to drive more of the dry signal, a better blend, I'm gonna bring the knob to the left. All right, output, I'm gonna turn output up more. I turn it up. If I want to add analog, turn it off. I can do all that. If I want to do more of the EQ, I can link those and do it like this. Completely up to you. But I'm not going to talk your head off. Let's record so you can see what it sounds like. It's just an easy vocal chain. Nothing crazy. So, yeah. Trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I'm in my bed. I'm in my bed. I'm in my bed. I'm in my bag. Trap again. I said I wanna go trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. That's another one. Let's go. Do I have a trap? Yeah, back again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I said I wanna go trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm trying to get. Yeah, back again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I said I wanna go trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. That's crazy. Play it. That's crazy. I'm in my bag. Yeah, back again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Trap again. I said I don't wanna go trap again. Trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. In my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. Crazy. Yeah, back again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Trap again. I said I don't wanna go trap again. Trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. Trap again. Baby, I'm in the trap again. In my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. That's crazy. That's crazy though. Like simple plugins. It don't even take much. 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 Yeah. It don't even take much. 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 Yeah. It don't even take much. It don't even take much. Yeah. It don't even take much. It don't even take much. Yeah. Yo. I ain't even stop playing with y'all though. Like I ain't even finna play with y'all though. Like